Welcome back. We are on level 6 of lesson 3, drawing in Game Lab. This says ellipse. You can use ellipse to make a circle. Remember, an ellipse is just a fancy word for an oval. So do this. Look at the code that makes the ellipse. All right, so number 1 says fill with teal. Number 2 says ellipse at 100 on the x-axis, 100 on the y-axis. And so now we want to add a new ellipse of a different color. All right, so number 2, add a new ellipse of a different color. Remember, you can always turn on the grid, show me where, or hover with the mouse to help find the X and Y position you want. Well, it just says add a new ellipse of a different color. It doesn't tell me where I have to add it. So this is going to be super easy. So first, we're going to put in the color, because when you've put in a new fill color, it will affect everything below it. All right, and yellow works for me. Does yellow work for you? Let's do this. All right, because yellow is different from teal. Problem solved. So now we're going to put an ellipse right here. And it says 200 and 200. I have a feeling that I didn't change anything, but I have a feeling we're going to end up with this picture. Let's see if I'm right. So we're going to run it. Close enough to count. I mean, if you wanted to have the exact picture, you could change this from yellow to, I bet that's orange. And then we could reset it and run it. Yes, yes, yes. That shows that. That shows that. So if you're happy with this, because I'm happy with this, we're going to click the orange finish button, and I will see you on level 7. Here we go.